What's up everyone, my name is Justpreethesh and I'm back with another vlog. Today in this vlog I'm going to teach you how you can edit your pictures just like this one. Inspiration of this picture is from a professional photographer since he has challenged us during this quarantine time. And I like the idea of how the photo is and how the creativity in it is, so I thought let's try it out. I posted that picture in Instagram. Many of you have been asking me on how did I edit that picture. So it comes under two factors, that is one, photography, and second one is editing skills. In photography there are only two steps that you have to keep in mind, that is you have to keep a steady camera or you have to keep your phone steadily, or otherwise you can mount your smartphone to your tripod. Since I have here, this is the tripod I have, and in that I have mounted the phone and then I click the picture. Whenever you're clicking these types of picture, you need more than 4 or 2 shots. So for that you have to set your exposure to manual and then you have to lock that. If you don't lock the exposure, then what will happen is when you layer it in your Photoshop app or in any other photo editing software, then you have to layer your pictures, and when you erase the top layer, then there will be difference between the first layer and the second layer. In editing process you will understand what I mean. Now after when you're done mounting your smartphone on your tripod, then make sure that you set the exposure and locked it, and also now click your photos. You can pose different poses, and if you're good at editing skills then you can do complicated poses too. What I mean by complicated poses are actually poses something like, suppose for example I'm sitting over here and right behind I come up again. That's how is a complicated pose is. Basically the idea of the photo is to have multiple person in the same area or the same location sitting far away in the same picture, then that's more easier to edit. I'll show you how. Editing, you just need an app called PixArt. PixArt is the best app to edit these kind of photos and to be creative with. Once when you are inside the app, select a base picture and then go to add option, add photo option, and then add your first picture or the first layer that you wanna combine. I'll drag this up to the maximum level, and now what you have to do is lower your opacity and then choose erase option. You have to erase it manually, you do not have to select any portrait or restore. Just press the erase button and then erase the base layer. You want your base layer on the first layer, so that's why you're erasing the base layer only. So just erase this, and once you're erased, just for confirmation do it once again by increasing the opacity. Once you have checked, now it's time for the second layer. Now after when you apply the second layer, just follow the same procedure that you have did in the first one. Now lower your opacity and now choose erase option and then manually erase yourself. Do not erase the photo that you have added just now, just erase your parts, that's it. Whichever places you are, just erase those parts, that's it. Confirm yourself that is there anything left out or not. Increase the opacity and check. Well, that's looking pretty good. Now I have added another layer, that is the last layer, and now all I have to do is drag down the opacity and the same procedure that I have to follow. That's how you edit this picture, guys. And make sure that if you do not set the exposure or if you do not lock the exposure, then the main issue you will face here is the photo will be bright or some parts will be dark. That's something which you don't want. That's it for today's vlog, guys. I know it's a small vlog. I just wanted to show you how to edit these kind of pictures and be creative with during this quarantine time. Hope everyone is safe out there and stay safe and stay healthy, guys. Like these kind of creative photos, or if you like men's fashion content, then make sure that you follow me on Instagram, that is Justpreethesh_21, and also if you're on YouTube, then make sure to subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.